Next, another question that I get is, how do I clean my vessels? So that's really going to depend on what it is that you're doing as far as your detection limits and the types of digestions you're carrying out. But I tried to summarize this in more or less 3 different steps. So the first and the simplest cleaning method would be a simple rinse with deionized water. This may be sufficient if your analyte concentration is rather high, say in the percent level, because if you rinse with DI water, you should be able to bring it down low enough. Now let's say you're going to lower levels, say in the ppb range, parts per billion. You may want to do a closed vessel acid reflux, which is essentially digesting blank acid within your vessels. What I would suggest you do is, if whichever acid type you used for digestion, use that same acid. So if you used 4 mils of nitric and 1 mil of hydrochloric acid, I would clean with exactly those same acids, but without sampling them. You can either use the cleaning method that is stored here in the terminal by going to cleaning and selecting the cleaning method, or you can simply rerun the same microwave program that you use to digest your samples. Now, let's say you need to take cleaning one step further. There's typically 2 types of cleaning that work quite well. The first one is going to be something that's been more traditional. It's been around for labs for decades and decades, or heated acid soaks or acid baths. These are going to be, say, using 1-to-1 HCl or nitric acid to water, and these are going to be working at about 80 degrees Celsius, elevated temperatures. They do work well, but they do have some disadvantages, such as you have a large vat with acid. You'll have to dispose of that when you're done. You can only get down to certain levels because you'll eventually have an equilibrium of your metal contamination from what's on your sample to in your liquid. So therefore, you'll have to change baths if you need to get cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. So it takes a lot of time, can take a day, overnight, hours and hours. The other technique that is highly effective for cleaning vessels, getting down to even the PBT range, is acid steam cleaning. The way acid steam cleaning works is we use a technique called subboiling distillation, where we are gently heating nitric acid below the boiling point, and then we generate ultra-pure acid vapors, which will clean our various components, our sample prep components. These are things such as not just our vessels and vials, but any sample introduction components for your ICP-MS. We do have an acid steam cleaning system here at Milestone called the Trace Clean. Some of you may or may not be familiar with this. We actually just did a webinar on this recently. So if you are interested in watching that, let us know and we'll be more than happy to send you that recording. We go over the various options and help you gain a good understanding of vessel cleaning. We also do have a cleaning document which is available on Milestone Connect, which outlines the various methods for cleaning.